Good evening. My name is Sharon Bussey, and this evening I'm going to be showing you how to make a South African milk tart. Let's start together at the very beginning. A South African milk tart is quite similar to an American custard pie. Let's take a look at the utensils we will need to make this pie. Firstly, we'll need a pan, a glass bowl, measuring spoon, cup and jug, a spatula, and a whisk. Our ingredients. We'll need 2 pie crusts, milk, eggs, custard powder, cornstarch, sweetened condensed milk, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and butter. We'll start by baking our 2 pie crusts in the oven. If you've purchased these in a store, bake them according to the package directions. Of course, you can always make your own pie crusts as well. Into a glass bowl, pour a cup of milk. To that milk, add 1 tablespoon of custard powder and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk this together until it's well blended. Then add your 2 eggs. Once that is combined, you'll be able to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place this bowl to the side. Now in a pan, pour in 3½ cups of milk. To that milk, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 stick of butter. Place the pan on medium heat, stirring all the time until it boils. Watch carefully because this mixture can burn quickly or boil over very quickly. Once it has come to the boil, remove from the heat and temper the mixture. We do this by pouring some of the hot milk into the cold milk mixture that you made before. Whisk this together until it is well combined. Now pour the tempered mixture from the bowl back into the pan and whisk this together gently. Return to your stove top on low heat and whisk constantly until it is thickened. Once it has reached that thickened custard consistency, pour even amounts into your 2 pre-baked pie crusts. Now sprinkle the top of your pies with cinnamon and allow it to cool, coming down to room temperature before you keep it in the refrigerator. And these pies can keep in the refrigerator up to 2 to 3 days. Enjoy a slice with a cup of tea. It really is delicious. I hope you will try and give this pie a go. It really is an amazing recipe that's been passed down in our family from generation to generation. My grandmother was the one who taught me how to make this. I'm sure you'll love it and be able to enjoy it for many years to come.